Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this video we will talk about Layerlink. Basically, Layerlink is used to connect two widgets, either they are in widget tree or they are in different parts of the widget tree. Okay, and this is the example. Now if we click on this show tooltip, here you can see this is a tooltip and this is the code for Layerlink. Let me show you. I have initialized Layerlink, then in its build function there is a composite transform target. So by the name target you can get that this is the target widget. Okay, actually there are two widgets, one is target and the one that will follow. Okay, so this is like our target widget, or you can call it like parent widget. Okay, and the other widget that we want to connect with this, that will be our follow widget. Okay, so I have passed linked its Layerlink, and if I click on this button here you can see this is toggle tooltip will call. Okay, if overlay entry is equal to null, then it will create overlay entry, and then this will insert that overlay entry into the overlay. Okay, let me show you this create overlay. Okay, so actually this will create our overlay, and here you can see this is a follow widget that we will show on the top of our first one elevated button. Okay, so this is for Layerlink, and please like, subscribe and share the video, and I will see you in next video.